You can also insert out files from cloud drives inside of Prezi Video. So to do that, you can click on the plus button right here and then choose what you want to insert. So I'm just going to go around and say add visual, and over here you can see that different cloud services can be chosen like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. So I'm going to go around and select Google Drive as an example right here. So once I do that, you can see that it opens up the new tab, which allows me to link out Google Drive with Prezi. So I can choose my account right here, just like this. And you can see that it asks me for Google Drive permission. So depending on what cloud storage you actually choose, the permissions may differ. So you can click on this and click on continue. And what will happen is that the Google Drive files will show up right here. So let's say you want to insert out this file right here. That is this Google slide that you have. Click on select. And what happens is that it imports out the Google slides onto Prezi Video right here now. So it is importing out the slides, as you can see. And now it has been imported out, as you can see right here. So all of these slides has been imported over here, as you can see. So that is how you can insert out files directly from cloud drives inside of Prezi Video. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.